Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today is a huge day for me. I finally started my own YouTube channel for uploading my web development stuff because I'd like to share with you guys all the knowledge I have gathered all through the years. So in this video we're going to see how to integrate our next app with Shadcn and Aceternity UI to create some good looking websites. So I'm just gonna go to my website, create a new folder, and we can name it as like example project, and we're just gonna open that in our VS Code. All right, we can create our next application. Go to terminal, new terminal, and get the command like npx create next tab at latest. So it's gonna take like 2 minutes to get set it up, and we're gonna give the configurations and stuff. So in the meantime, we're gonna go to Shadcn. So almost every top company I have worked has shifted their styling frameworks to this. You know, I'm sorry, like Shadcn. Oh God, Shadcn UI. So this very good UI. Like they got all the built templates, the components, the number of components we can use it in our application, guys. So I'm just gonna go to VS Code and give Y, and maybe I'll leave it as it is. And we're just gonna do TypeScript here, and just for the sake of doing this website, I'm not gonna use any ES lifting features and dependencies. Scope yes, and I don't want SRC directory and actual tree as to pack no, and I'm just gonna give no for import alias. Gonna take some couple of minutes to set up. So almost we got everything here. We got accordion, we got alert, dialog box modals, carousels, everything we got here. So we gotta go to get started, and of course we're using Next.js application, and there you go. And all we have to do is just put these commands into our application and finally integrate Shadcn into our Next.js. What else they have given? Almost we're gonna use BNPM. We can either use that. I'm just being using npm for a very long period of time, so I'm just gonna use npm, or if you're gonna use yarn, you're gonna go get this command. And bun is the most like latest package manager. Almost everyone started using it. It's fast and furious. So I guess if you're gonna use bun, you got to, you know, go get this feature up, go get this command and paste it in your application. And with this is the boilerplate code of the button. Okay, it's still running. Okay, I guess we have finally set it up, our next application, and we are good to go starting our dev service. So I'm just gonna give npm run dev. Okay, I haven't gotten into that project directory. I always do this mistake. Going to npm run dev, and we have finally starting our application. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna copy this. Right. Just gonna give Control plus right click on that link. It will show up on your browser. It's gonna take like 10 seconds to load. Okay, we got the app directory and we have started our application. So I guess we can stop our service right now and paste Shadcn. So we're gonna set up all our components here. It's gonna initialize loading all our styling libraries, dependencies, and all those stuff. This is gonna take a while. I'm just gonna give neutral, and it has been rewriting all this registry and stuff, been making some changes in global.css and installing some dependencies. I guess we'll be seeing, if you go to see your package.json, must have installed some of the dependencies like CLSX and tailwind merge and stuff. And there's a component.json. Like I think that it has installed this, like we have given neutral and everything is set up. So I think we have finally set up Next.js, and we are gonna just copy this command and paste it. And what am I gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna install every Shadcn feature. Like we have got every Shadcn feature if you put this command, and I can just press A to select it all. And if I select it all, I'm just gonna, you know, start installing all of our Shadcn components in this place. And usually I do this for our applications instead of just going for each and every component at different time. I'm just gonna install everything all at once, so it just saves my time once and for all. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a while, like 2 minutes max. And then we're just gonna go to Eternity UI. I think it's the most latest trend going everywhere these days. Like, if you're gonna see these components, everything is literally mind-blowing. Like the modal and stuff. Wow. Like, everything is freaking awesome. So we can just directly import it into our application. Carousels and stuff. I think this is one of my favorite things about Eternity UI. I mean, this container scroller animation. I have recently found this, and I have fell in love with this. Like, look at this. It's literally looking next level. Oh God, it's taking forever. All right, we have finally set up all our Shadcn components. If you go to components UI, we literally got everything here, as you can see. So if you go to Eternity UI, and we're gonna use this. Either I think there's two way of doing this, one by using CLI method and one by using you know, manual way. So I think I'm just gonna go for this CLI command. Just gonna paste this and see. Right. We have installed some dependencies by using this CLI command. And I guess I'm just gonna, okay, I can just copy this. Maybe I can just create a new component here. Maybe GSX, suppose we're using TypeScript. Just gonna copy everything and paste it here. It's looking good. Of course, we are exporting this function so that we got imported in our home page. So here I literally don't need anything else. Just gonna remove everything. Let's see what it happens if I'm just gonna paste this component and we can just import it. Okay, I think the import must be wrong here. The correct path. Now we are good to go. So let's just fire up our application again in pm run dev. And let's see what are we getting now. Just close this. It's gonna take a while for us to load. Wow, it is something else, guys. Okay, if you want just some random pictures, we can include it. I mean, we don't just some random pic here. Okay, like I can put my picture here. Picture's looking good. Okay, I think like we can give our picture, we have named our picture o.jpg dot g. That is beautiful, guys. My God. So I'll see you guys in some other video. There's a lot of videos coming here after. Thanks for watching.